What are you getting in there? What are you getting in there? You're pretty good at that. They see so many insects that we don't. Like this guy. So they're in here with their big soft webbed feet, able to trample down things, and it pops right back up. They don't kick and scratch like the chickens. So that's insect patrol and slug patrol. Well, they're in here munching things like these bean beetles, squash beetles, whichever they are. They poop and leave that nutrient behind. See the chickens feeding on some greens I threw out there this morning. That's another part of the system. Nothing is waste. They're recycling those greens into fertilizer for us, as well as taking care of fleas, ticks, and other pests around the food forest. Never does it justice. If you're in Asheville, look me up, look us up, come have a look. We love showing it off. Start the conversation.